Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to be talking about how to conduct subtraction in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, all we have to do is have a set of data available for us for experimentation. You can either get one online or just make one yourself. Next, click on an empty cell next to your values. I'm gonna choose a cell under the A-B column for sample's sake. Next, I'm gonna type in an equal sign. This is to ensure that I am going to start a formula. Next, I'll be choosing the cell A, and I'll do that by clicking on it. To subtract a number from the cell A, I'm gonna use the minus sign from my keyboard. And lastly, I'm going to click on the number that I want to subtract 9 with by clicking on the cell that contains 4. And once I press enter, there we go. Now, to apply this formula to all of the values available in the table, all we have to do is drag the little green box on the lower right corner of our selected cell. By dragging the box all the way down, we should be able to apply the subtraction function to all of the other items in our data. Since this is formula-based, any values that are supposed to be in our table will be updated once changed. For example, I'd like to increase the value of 9 to 18, and I'd want to subtract 26 from 18 as to signify a larger number being subtracted to a smaller one. By doing so, the results have been automatically updated by showing a negative value since the value in cell B is bigger than the value in cell A. And there we have it. This is how we conduct subtraction in Microsoft Excel.